Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Netgear Wi-Fi Extender, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by plugging your Netgear Wi-Fi Extender into a power outlet. Make sure it is located within the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. Wait for the power LED on the extender to turn green, indicating it's ready to set up. Next, connect your computer or mobile device to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. You can find the default network name, or SSID, on the label attached to the extender. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in http://www.mywifiext.net and hit enter. You will be directed to the setup page for your Netgear extender. When prompted, enter the default username and password. These are typically admin for the username and password for the password. Once logged in, click on the New Extender Setup option. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list provided. Enter the password for your existing Wi-Fi network when prompted. Choose whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name for the extender or create a new one. Once you've made your selection, click Next to continue. Allow the extender a few moments to connect to your Wi-Fi network. When the connection is successful, a confirmation page will appear. Take note of the new Wi-Fi network name if you created one. Disconnect from the extender's temporary network. Reconnect your device to your home Wi-Fi network. Position the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Watch for the signal LED on the extender to confirm optimal placement. Finally, test the Wi-Fi signal strength in the previously weak areas of your home. Your Netgear Wi-Fi extender is now configured and ready to improve your Wi-Fi coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.